If your chain is dirtier than a 2-year-old's mouth after eating chocolate ice cream, then this video is for you. Get yourself a couple things: motorcycle stand to get the wheel off the ground, drip pan to catch all the nasty stuff, paper towel, lots of paper towel, gloves, keep those hands clean. Get yourself some cardboard. I'll show you what to do with it later. Get yourself wax and a cleaner and a pair of chain brushes. One for initial cleaning and one for final cleaning. Get yourself a couple flathead screwdrivers to get the gunky stuff off. There's a chance that you might need to tighten up your chain afterwards, so get yourself the right tools to do that.
Okay, so first things first, we're gonna set all of this aside. I'm gonna put this here, and the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna get our gloves on. As you can see, this gives you a perfect coverage. So let's get to it. We want to get all this gunky stuff off. We're going to use a screwdriver to get some of it off. Then we're going to use our brushes. So let's get to it. Once you have everything protected, start spraying the chain. Make sure to point downwards so no excess spray gets onto the tire and the rim, and all the gunky stuff ends up in the paint. Once you wipe off the big stuff with the towel, move on to the brush and start agitating all the dirt. Look how nasty this stuff is. Continue the process until you go all the way around and all the dirt has been well agitated and you're able to wipe it all off. Chain should be looking clean at that point. Pick up the proper towels, otherwise the ones from the kitchen will tear. Okay, I think you guys will all agree that this is looking much better, and look at all of that mess. So normally you could just go ahead and start with this chain wax, but I'm actually gonna do something different here, and we're actually gonna go step first. So I'm gonna get the bike off the stand, I'm gonna take it outside, and I'm gonna give it a quick wash. Purple Power. We're gonna get all the junk off. The Purple Power, it's inexpensive, but it definitely gets the job done. Make sure you spray the chain anywhere that you could have gotten cleaner or any of this gunk on. The bike is clean, the chain is clean, and it's looking spectacular. So we're gonna give it a minute to dry. To make everything dry quicker, hit up chain with a little bit of a compressed air. Once again, put down a towel on the bottom, and then instead of spraying anywhere over here, I highly recommend just spraying over here, just a little bit at a time. So we just went all the way around. Wipe off any excess, any drippage, and there you have it. All done. Look at the finish. Look how clean this is. And again, the tire and wheel, perfect. Anyway, this takes about 15-20 minutes, but it will save you hundreds. So get to it. Don't be the nasty looking bike out there in the parking lot. Get it cleaned up, get it tightened up. That's actually what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to check the tension on my chain and I'll be done. So stay tuned, like it, subscribe it, drop a comment below if you think that I screwed something up or I should have done it differently, and we can have a chat about it. But until next time.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos.